In this video, I will show you how to find great stocks in an uptrend and by using the Finviz screener. This is for free and there is no scam, there is no weird stuff in here. All you have to do is create an account and you're good to go. I will show you step by step how to find the stocks and what filter I use. And yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is go to finviz.com and it will look like this. Then you create your account. As I said, it takes literally 5 seconds. After you have done that, you click on the screener up in this corner here. So then you come to this site and what you want to do is you want to click, we can click all. Well, let's take step by step here. First, you click here, descriptive, I think you say. And you want to go for the average volume. You want the average volume to be over 100k, so you just filter away all the penny stocks. Sorry, I'm not my main language is not English, but bear with me. However, I'm brain farting a lot today, I can tell. However, you click on the this one here and then you go to technical and you want to go for the 50-day simple moving average. You want the price to be above the simple moving average 50. Then you want to go to this one, 200-day simple moving average. You want I think it's down here somewhere. You want the SMA 200 be above the simple moving average 50. No, sorry, that one. Below, of course. That means the stock is in a longer term uptrend. And lastly, we want the stock to be 30% or more above low. So we are not fishing on the bottom here. We just want to ride the trend. So just like this, then you have your filter set up. I have already this by presetting, but what you can do is you can click on here, save screen, and that will save you this screener. So when you have done that, it will look like this and you will have to give it a name. I gave it trending up because this is the one I'm using. So I just click on here, trending up, and yeah, it will give you the same. And yeah, this is the filter I'm using. So what you want to do is, when you have selected this filter, you go and click on charts and TA off, because this is just it's just AI generated lines, I guess. So, and there you go. And here you have all the stocks which match this criteria. So it's all fairly good, relatively, well, I would say relatively better to the rest. We have only now 550 stocks and it doesn't take too long to go through these. What you want to do is, however, sort. That's what I'm doing at least. Performance quarter, so every three months like that. And then you want to do the descending. So you want the stocks on the first site that had the most price advance in this quarter. So now it's ready. Now it's lock and load. What you want to do is just scan. If you know what to look for, then this is no problem. I am trading breakouts. That it has a small base and it's about to break up. I usually trade the cup and handle or by the William O'Neill, or I trade the VCP pattern by Mark Minervini. But however, everyone got different strategies. This is how I do it. It's been successful for me. Doesn't mean it's successful for you, but you do you. I just show you what I'm doing here. You can play around with this filter however you want, and yeah, there is no right or wrong on here. This is why I use Finviz. It's because of this. It's not primarily about the filter, because pretty much every platform has this kind of filter, but it's honestly kind of bad filter. What I'm using it is for this. It's such a nice overview of a lot of stocks, and I can scan through hundreds of stocks in just a couple of minutes, and that of course makes the probability go up for me to find exactly the best stocks that fits my eye, you know. So sorry, I'm talking a lot, I feel, but yeah, then I just go through this. For example, this stock here, 9 Energy Service. However, that's an oil and gas. I'm not a fan of that because it's very cyclical, but I've been trading some oil and gas stocks this year because that's the only thing that has gone up. But this has a nice VCP pattern I can see from here, with descending volume and some contraction in the volatility. That's something you want to see. I'm probably gonna make another video for how my trading works, but how my trading strategy, how I'm doing it. So yeah, then it's just, yeah, you can see for yourself. It takes like just a few seconds or minutes per page, and you can just scan through a lot of stocks just by looking. Like this looks awful, this looks awful, this looks awful, this looks garbage, this one is looking pretty, this looks really this looks interesting. Biotechnology, slow descending volume, some tight price action, not ideal maybe, but it looks all right. I'm trying to find some stocks that looks like, yeah, this one is looking like a power play. Yeah. This one looks good. This one looks good. So, well, you know, the market is just awful right now. It's high inflation, the interest rates are going up, and well, we have had two months in a row with a descending inflation, which is good. So I hope the inflation continues to go down with the January report. We will see. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show. This is what I do when I want to find stocks. I've been doing this for I don't know, probably around 2 to 3 years. No, yeah, I don't know exactly, around 2 to 3 years I've been doing this, and I find it extremely convenient. Let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts or opinions, or if you have if you is using a screener that is more effective than this one. I would like to hear. And yeah, I think that's it.